Stop thinking sneezing is just annoying. It's actually pretty amazing. Here's why. Sneezing is your body's way of saying, hey, something's in my nose. It starts with a tickle in your nasal nerves, triggering a chain reaction. Your brain sends a signal to your chest muscles, diaphragm, and even your eyelids to get ready for action. And then, achoo! Fun fact, did you know sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour? It's like a mini hurricane in your face. But why do we close our eyes? It's a reflex to protect those precious peepers from any flying particle. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's not just a random act. It's your body's superhero move to keep you healthy. Bless you.